Kublai baro pia pe yang khasi channel ni pejang sabhai phi shakathub khobor ka bashi senj teo kimat pa komsan nan ta teo bilong le ai jawab ke MLA ka seng Trinamool Congress ka office tre kam usong knor ka yeng dor bar thawan IT ki committee pe khaput ye ki kai phot chumentri rangba ka jala yeng persha ki seng samla bat ki wei ye ka sarkar India halor ka afspa Armut ki scenario kun Hill State na Mauthan Raishan Pinkup Buram ke HYC Kenmau Buram ke KSU ke Lingko Sngiya Uba Bull and Lingdo Yengs Kem ki Riushnong Ban Persha Yu Sodar ke Shnat Right Timring Naga Kubor Sports Rung Kalamari Football Club Shaka Semi-Final Hakalimpung Iliakai Football Narinsan ka Rikhasi ka Kinhun Somersault ha ka Jingwan Phai Pat Chalayeng na Europe. Mendapat minya Phai ki khubor benya. KMLA ka Seng Trinamool Congress hapo ka Jalamu Dr. Mukul Sangma ha ka Pratrik no pra araja apoi klale ai ka jubab jongki hau shonknor ka yeng dor bar thau anya ba met ba lingdo kumpula pa ni ka jubab jongki hapo ka shiteo.
Kani ka jing pan jubab jong shonknor ka yeng dor bar thau anya ka long halor ka jing ujor jong ka amini jong ka Seng Congress ka Dr. Ampari Lingdo akani ka singi ke beladap. Habekan bikla pathai khubor u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong baka jing pet jong ki ka Seng TMC na ka Seng Congress ka dei ka bla biang briubha kat kum ka kenan ka basau jong ka ten schedule ni ketika an kin tap seng long bakam shimna don kanu ka jing la bakla na ka yang jong ki
because everyone knows that the group the members who decided for this merger as per the mandate of the 10th schedule of the constitution specifically for vis-a-vis the mandate at specified at para 4.2 and para 4.1 and para 4.2 we have complied with the requirement. Out of the effective strength of 17, 12 members actually constitute more than 2/3 of the effective strength of the then CLP. Simple. Okay. So the petitioner choose to say that the number was only 10, not 12, which is definitely available before you to have your own interpretation that it was nothing but an attempt to just have certain kind of attempt to play to the gallery, to create the wrong perception to the people, to delay people's decision to join us in our new march. So notwithstanding this attempt, we are already going ahead. You are seeing a tremendous response across the state. The joining of various party cadres at the different rank and file is taking place continuously. It's not just something that is happening in isolation in 1 day or 2 days, but it's a continuous process. Even today, as I speak now, there are thousands of youth who are dissociating themselves from the Indian National Congress and are joining with All India Trinamool Congress in Tura.
Hakabili bangani ka jing ujor jong ka amini jong ka Seng Congress Dr. Mukul Sangma ong kamdei ki iru de je tang kabut pan panthot ya ka jing tri kam jogi amani jong ka Seng TMC ana ka jong ka poro long ba hakani ki si ka banan sajan shibun gon ki khat bagi nong ka san ka Seng Congress ke ban ini no ya ka Seng Congress pan pan penyeso LD but All India Trinamool Congress
is basically nothing but reflection of the attempt to have a concocted story with complete misrepresentation and distortion of facts to only create certain kind of hurdles in the smooth functioning of the members of this August House who have agreed upon to have the merger with the new political party.
Ki artili ki regional committee ki badai pe ya jepun bai khapur habreng jala Meghalaya bar ka jala Assam kawai na Riboy district bar kawai na West Khasi Hills district ha ka pratri uno pra araja arpoi klali IT ya ka kai phot jong ki ho mentri rangba ka jala contract ke sama
aban kalo ne ba ya ka committee the Riboy district
we prepare the
committee in the West Khasi Hills district
and also the recommendation according to the inspection on the ground zero, number one. Number two, according to the terms of reference indicated by both the Chief Minister. So accordingly, the report is submitted today.
When is the next meeting between the Chief Minister from both states?
Very soon it will be held, but before doing that, our Chief Minister will have a meeting with all the stakeholders, be it the political parties, be it the same, be it the council, be it the NGOs. He will first have a meeting with all of them, and thereafter meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam will be fixed by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya.
And based on the report that we have given, we hope positive response will be there from both state government to settle the problem that people in the border are facing. So as of now, I don't want to share the insight of the report, but because the Chief Minister and with the committee again at the state level will check which one that we can disclose and which one we cannot disclose. But the only thing is that I have submitted the report, we have submitted the report, and I think it's very positive.
Nakaliang jong mutri rambak kajala ukon rak sama ulong ban nakaliang ke kabinet kasapet bat bisyar banyak ya kini kajing ai jengmut nakini ki atli ki regional committee bat kinang am banyo asoi pat ka kaipat nagoi pat ka committee kepada ini po Giant Hills district.
Two of the committees have submitted their reports. One is from West Khasi Hills and one is from Rivoy district, and the committees have just submitted it about an hour back, so obviously I have not been able to go through it. So once the committees, once we go through the entire report, which we will do very, very quickly, because we want to call the stakeholders after this, and then we also want to have the meeting with our Assam counterparts after that. So we will be we will be going through these reports very quickly. I must take this opportunity to, of course, thank the entire committee and all the members and the chairperson of the committees who have really worked very, very hard. These are all interior locations, but they have traveled, and I think never in the history of the state has such kind of an exercise been conducted. So it's a very, very great and laudable work that they have done. And as I said, a lot of hard work has gone in, and we will definitely do justice to it by going through it in detail, and then, as I said, further discussing with other stakeholders and taking their opinions within the state, and then further at the earliest meet the Assam counterparts and try to take this forward to a logical.
Kibabontali kiseng samla hagathan stay la mingi hapok ashatri joka North East Students Organization bar kiwe de kiseng hagakhandai tre guno pra arja arpoi kila yeng persha ek sarkar India namar ke jimpitre kam jongka ek Armed Forces Special Powers Act hagibabontali ki jala joka than stay la mingi degi spang ki samla pule kintu ka KSU na kani ka jala ringkar kiwe de kiseng kila lumpat ba hamad ukyang nang ba ban pin pau ke jing bitar ke jing siat yap Sipai Assam Rifles si khat sangut ki riu pai ba kat ba ke dangwan phai ni jakabala ha ka sau tereng mentau banai kini ke jing sha siat kini ki riu pai ba balui lui da ka ba kinno ba ki Sipai ki bakla ba ki de ki kinhun le no kala pin khi puk e ka than stela mingi na do ki samla puli ha do ki riu san perthai
ASFA, we oppose. We oppose. We oppose. Indian Army down, 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 down. Indian Army down, 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 down. Government of India down, 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 down. Government of India down, 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 down.
Hagani ke jelang persha la yo jingkran ki nongilam seng balang ba pher kintu brui ki nongilam ji seng samla puli ni ki wei pat ki jala.
Sadly to say, Armed Forces Special Power Act is meant to be applied only in Northeast and Jammu and Kashmir. The big question is why it is so. In Northeast, my friend, we are having around 23 districts. In the whole of India, there are 96 districts which are affected by Maoists and Naxalites. You compare the 23 and the 96, but the Indian government, since the inception of the Naxalite movement and the Maoist movement, never dared to declare APSA in those areas. 40% of the landed territory of India is the red corridor, what we call, or the Maoist affected portion of India. No APSA was implemented in those parts of India, in what we from the Northeast would call the mainland India. Is it because of our cultural differences? Is it because of the chinky eyes? Is it because of our height, of our look, that we are discriminated by the use of bullets? Why APSA was not implemented in spite of the fact that the Maoists and the Naxalites, in one go, they will kill 70 to 80 police and army personnel, which has never occurred in Northeast in spite of the height of its militancy and extremism.
63 years and people have been dying on both the fronts. If any of you think that the people who are serving in the army do not come from among yourselves, you are wrong. But at the same time, Armed Forces Special Powers Act given to the army, what business does the army have in civilian area? What business? What is the police for? What is the paramilitary for? What business does the army have in civilian areas?
But Nashim, baka Sarkar India kelapatan kam kita kinungking ader niki kun khadu jang Sarkar India bungai penmadan dan ngi pat dulum nakapor sakapor. Larang ia ki ngipan jing dawa kecungi baper. Haba kita kikin hun king ader jang mereka than stay lamangi resen ki kren ya ka history Bangidan la kajang ka history hindai Bronsian ka Sarkar India kaong kini kinong persya ya kariti sensar jangkari India. Hanay nga kwa babu kajing kali akon pinagkrepat ya ka Sarkar India. Mano bastang bangwangla kajing yawam snam pat mano bastang pangpandangkam da kapor jang ukuli langbati tamsuay jangka Sarkar India.
We students here, let us all join against this act and say no to ASFA. In a statement by Amit Shah, he stated that vehicles was signaled to stop, but it tried to flee. But there was a two survivor, and out of that, one of the survivors said, "We were not signaled to stop. They shoot us directly without any further warning." So I would like to question to Amit Shah that were you there, were you present in that particular incident when it took place? Do you have any superpowers that you see what is going on? This guy, our brother, who survived from this act, who survived from this barbaric act, battling for his life in hospital, stated that they were not warned. I would also like to question the Indian Army. We say that you are the pride and honor of the country. But I see no pride and honor in killing innocent, unarmed civilians. What do you have to say for that?
Hagapot janmit pat lapelong sa kajinga thang mombati ban kinma ki basha siat yam berkumjuru ban ajing kersan lang ki bahi ngasem jongki ya kajingkran bakhaddo la aido ba Samuel Bijirwa unong yelam jokaneso.
This particular incident has brought back bitter memories of the past where villagers in Manipur, in Nagaland have suffered this same fate where the army personnel, the security forces, they'll just come and swoop down on the village and kill the men folk, rape the women folk and torture the innocent villagers for days on end. This has been happening since 1950s till today. The security forces in the whole of the northeastern region have been committing these crimes from time to time. We have seen the operations in the state of Assam. We have seen the suppression, the oppression by the armed forces in the state of Tripura. And also, we must have heard about the bombing in Aizawl, in Mizoram in 1966 by the Air Force of the Indian Armed Forces. Well, brothers and sisters, we used to wonder why this is happening in the northeastern states of India. Is it because of the factors that the government of India portrays, the mindset and attitude of the government of India that they have towards the people of the northeastern region? Is it because that we are different in looks and features. We eat differently. Our language is different. Our culture is different. And also is it because that the indigenous people of the northeastern region have been demanding for their rights, for their protection from any internal and external aggression right from the time when India has got its independence.
Kisamlang pulih ki bapulih ka College Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences ka badan ha Umiam Riboy District kila pulong na ka jeki ka bajai jai bar kumjuru ka jing thang mambati ha phalao jogane ka jaka pulih kum ka jing sngau lemmi ki khatsang wat ki breu ki brashasiat yap ha Mon District ha ka jala Nagaland ka blaja ha ka South Rek mantau banai. Hakate ka jeki ka bajai jai la yishim banta da baro ki samla na ki jaj bandreu paper ki bapulih hakate ka jaka pulih. Haka bakila peloy ka jaya ki jat ringkat da ka barra ka plakat ban pinrem halor ka te ka jingja sha paniap ki te ki khatsa ngot ki reu pai ba ki te ki samla kila pinrem jor halor ka te ka jingja bar kila pin pawru banang ne shakhamat ki bakum kini ki jingja sha paniap ben ki breu kim deshu banja.
We the students of CPGS AS Umiam are deeply saddened by the horrific incident that happened in the Mon district of Nagaland, and we have organized a peaceful candle rally in our college campus to pay homage to the departed souls, and we stand with the families of the people who have lost their near and dear ones, and we are very much hopeful that in the near future such incidents will not be taking place in our country.
Kawai ka long kami khasi ka batray kum kanoi kai officiate ha ka school Christ International School ka badan hanong sder kala kinno bo principal jo kani ka school Dr. C Varghese ulakren tomet eka hindre hadien kani ka long kami kam shimla ai la jo uniu principal ulaweng kam no sindan eka
join dia mi be ki daw kum ni kum tai thrai ki shpin mi daw ni ki egen te shit snambet ken ngadang ong bet ba mi bi ka de chumbakla hi jong ate Dian kan ski sedang mi kidau pada bangam so ya hap kan cai ru kan ki sedang te dah hala dian pada ngas sedang mangan ikren hibit kan yu principal ne sister ikum tu kan dang la kren pada yu principal sister pada ki ai bit kan kidau ki bolong kum ne kum te kan ki bangam hun kan hanga jingsha te dian pada ski tharai banga ha bangan kendo baju principal maman kapor kum tu te usdang kan ban kren khama kwar kan ukren bi kita ki kentien ki bolong be ban ong be ba mangangan lechta shari kanan bangan spend quality time but man kapor be kan yu ong be kum ta uang kanya nga ba mangati bang long ki bang kat kum kador so film ya ha ban long no hikai ya ha ban long ya ha ka di ka kum ta ka ju ang ki babon ken ukran be ki ba ka kilong be kum pen ibe ba kalong balong be kum tu te ji man kasi ha ban yam ha basusi da ban ta jang kata ken tembanga ndre nga menden pada nga ong ba ya ki balaja ba ro khat to kat kum badai kum kata ka krai school tembang dengan yang mati ni we dengan keren compromise kenya kata ke baru khat ngalet ki bangan keren compromise kenya ubenen tidak nga keren compromise pada umenen pada uang penban yang ba kum ta ba fis ngau kum ta ba film long comfortable hani school ba film la ban adjust ki jo kini hani school ka baja ki te la bian la shanai one sure kan kita ka daw ka hado ha poi upot bang ha ban do na kan khala andre ka baru khat kam biang ra kan ka khamdan ra ka daw ke long ka babiang ken hende danga kli ka kam ka jam ki ong bet kam de ra ka kam ka jam ki shu ai daw ya karyam ka bet bang am ya ha bra ka karyam ka chonga ban wan school nga phong ke kan de ha bang wan school nga phong tam kurta ba jan sam ju phong pala da nang ta hende ki daw ki ba kim biang kim la ban jubab ka babiang hende menen pe danga mur bangan keren compromise ka ta ba dia ki ong ban yang ban ai wan school shu ken jola shala biang kut no ki ong kum ta ken
Tang Mario jing tip halor kini ke jingja kini ngilam cek HNM CORP ber MPSO kila leit banyak kendo yu te principal Henry namar umshim tre ban phlai ke bola le kini kising phalang kila leit ban khang sendon ru ikawai ka hotel ka bra tip kum kari kanan hotel ka badan ha ej ya ka bra date try do new principal.
The miss was not appointed by us. She was sent as a substitute for one of our teachers, Miss Evangeline, and she was coming here, and the principal found her many times not able to control the classroom, not able to do as the way we were working with other teachers. So she was told 2-3 times to correct herself, and she was going around like that. So we were waiting for the other miss. She was sick, the original one. So we waited the exam days. So not much teaching. So we allowed her to continue. And just 3 days back, she came here during the assembly a bit late, and she said, I had an accident. So then she said, I'm having pain. Then I called one of the nuns to take her to give the balm and all. Then she said she has not taken the breakfast. So we gave her the breakfast. And then she had a discussion with the sister. I know nothing about it. And she revealed her depression, the medicine she's taking, and all those other problems. And she was also, I came to know, in the treatment of mental problems. And we are here, exam days, all the teachers are here. Nothing what she claims is not done. She is absolutely baseless and untrue. And she has, yesterday, she told me, I want to talk to you. Then all these teachers have seen I am standing in the basketball court only. And all the teachers, she said, I am not happy here. You are not, the teachers are correcting me all the time. And I asked her, is her first experience of teaching? Yes. And earlier she was running a business. So I did tell her, you dress like a teacher and come. She was dressing going for fashion show and all that. So we did tell her this is not the right way to be in the school, because we are having a senior secondary school. And she said, I don't want to continue. Then I said, yes, you are a substitute only. So you can discontinue from tomorrow if you don't want. And I'll call the other teacher. Then I did call this sir and informed him. That's all the truth.
Nagaliang kibahiye jagate galong kami khasi kila ujo dak ijahar persha inu principal hapok Umiam police station.
Idon ya kajing sokya bana kapor si kapor yo iba gine ki khlajat ki khar poi ki wan ha ka kerteng kum gino hikai banseng ki school ya ki college henry kai pat kabangi sokya bat ngi sokta bah gine ki si ki bamtang yo iba Sibun ki kun samla ki jongi ki sya nyonben ki sya leben ha kaba ki penbij lagi lagi pisah ki jongki lagi kerdan ki jongki te nagaleng kaseng adin bangi lawan jurip akan ke jaka ngila lap ya kajing sisa bat nagaleng kaseng ngin salik bu dak FIR hang te apo Umiam police station bat lada ki police kim sim khai kene ka kam bat nagaleng kaseng ngin sim hi ya kabor hakti lajong kane kamisit ka bakliar nomor baleng ngin hap ong kumta nomor ngyo iba ka an hang ne postit jungi kaya dabha ya non tribal kat bayangi ki trai muluk kan kanom yada dei nak kadau nak leng kaseng ikwa ban kansai saka police department ba kadai ban sim khai kana ka kes bat kadai ban kam murder yau ne principal uba kup sni lang brot kumuno hikai henry ki kam ki jong upat ki kam ki bajabo
Hadin kiti kubor ni sangya shipor tang shikentin poi hadin ni son phaibe shiphi ringkat bakini kubai pat ki kubor Yang persha ki seng samla bat ki wei ya ka sarkar India halor ka afspa Armut ki scenario kun hill state na mauthat raishan pinkup buram ke HYC ken mau buram ke KSU ga lingkhu sngiya uba bul en lingdo Yang scam ki riushnong ban persha yo sodar ka shnat right tin ring Naga kubor sports Rung Kalamari Football Club shaka semi-final hakalimpung iliakai football Narinsan ka rikhasi ka kinwon somersault hakajingwan phai pat chalaye na Europe Pidai saban kan khasi chal ni nyapai metashi kubor ki badaksa. Kesing HYC Malta Ration Circle hakasi sajan jakatayo balada kalapun ko burami ki armor ki senaria kun ki blai kun na kabenta ban penyo Hill State ani ban penyo elaka jong ke jala kini kilong ba Sven Lingdo na markasa baru ba Dwick Lingkoi na kashnong lo mersiam Yaga jelang la pulong ha phalau yung dorbar shnong markasa hakaboba Paul Soklet sodar shnong ka kinshi mauriaw rong kongsan ringkar ke jedon lang sodar shnong uba arwajri kinoyelam ke HYC Malta Ration bar ki pai ba nong shong shnong la pen ko burami kini ki arun kinoyele Hill State da ka pen ko da ka giants aj but ice ngo bharu de ki memento Nalor ki chirwai bala ai de ki samla ka shnong la yoru ke jingkren u kongsan u bala pen pau ke jing ngo kmen ba ke HYC ka le burami kini ki rewele ki bashlo Ulong ru bahado menta kamdan setia kanu ke jinglum thup ke batikna ye kinongile Hill State kumtau ong baka sarkar kariban shimkhia kumgani ke jingla khidap sanphus nam jaka jilla ban pinmi ke jingpan bana pajba bagi shnong hakeleng kinwa jingtep ban lumi ki kerteng kinongile Hill State ban pha shaka sarkar bakan bothup ye kini ki kerteng ha State Central Library uba pawal ula kinturu baka sarkar ke deban tayu mat uba kerpang na kabanta kinongile Hill State
Yang juga pertama Banak kini nong kenong di jomi. Desa tempat kasong kebarang sadir. Kasong kebarang ki beri tempat tiap yang kita katakan di jomi. Andai kira mi kini ki armut kisnar. Berkira stesen nombor selo. Banyak persia yang ki bor jaga sotar Asam. Naga betapa penyo ia kata kadindawa ia ka Hill State. Nismo kemen banak nong kenong di jomi kimi kita. Isnar mat ke riyale kibra muslim ka bashrur kimi shakmat banbor habo ka jenglam jeng mai o pistol lindo kada na por na pa buram ru ye ka ye kasan jongale ki amor kirama kibra ka ka po ken khai shu yala ka yang ye kasan ken khai shu kay ta kanbam haba ka ki kon samla ju ye kalami Banyak nampak kami berkait benderi. Mereka kalau menjelaskan apa kawati kemahiran profesional di Arbanai. Tidak lagi tempat yang kamu kisah Shalom kamu buat. Maka dia kesan kejongki. Kita kikmah kejongki, kita kipara kejongki. Kuma Arbanai lai Arbanai. Kita kisah kamu tohiyeng. Amdan su unang kamai unang kaji.
Hitang cinta. Banyak salam shisha Nunor minta berserta Jingya kibakran ya snam Nong rincing sukilang Day jing iya lari Len ladik mai ban ID
Kawai kalong kami kalahapan ma deka WhatsApp si berkejing song si kthang harian mikinong luti kila yo ban kini ekapla pisa jongka kabadan ekapisa kabalai lak tingka kini kejingja kalaja khamar ka State Bank of India kabadan ha kashnong Kharwai Mayor Riboy District Karkum ka khubor bla yolum laong bagani kalong kami ya kabla tip kerteng kum ka mangla rani nat kalalai banse ya kapisa kabakala kinsho hapo ka tega bank Hinay tang Mariami shabar jong kani ka bank arut kibriyo ki bamla ban ithu kibla shong na ka thuk thuk kabamdan number satya kila yo ban kani agenda de kapla ka bakani ka long kami kala thab ka te ka pisa bar kila phet agenda na ka te ka jaka la ithu ru ba ka te ka jingja kani ka long kami kala mensaw na ki benta ka kajat bar ka khti hadian ka jia khun bar ki nongluti kibla persyang ban kani ka pla pisa hindai namar ka jingklain board ki te ki nongluti kila yo ban chendat no e ka pla pisa naka Laong ru bakni ke jingja shakni plapisa hakate ke jaka kabadan ke SBI Bank hakashnong Kharwai Mayor kamdai shu kasin ka baningkong hindegla jujia la bon bon sin hakani ke jaka barki paitba kide ban husiar hapaki lej ban sai pisa na kate ke bank halor kani ke jingja na kaliang ki bor pulen ke Jorbat police station kila register ka case bar ke jingto akir karang ya chakmat ban yo ke mi gite ki brew ki blakni ekani ka pisa jong kate ke long kame
जब पैसा निकला उस समय बैंक मैनेजर बोल दिया कि आपका साथ में कोई है गार्जियन कोई है बोला हाँ है बोल के बोला और बोलने के बाद वो पैसा 3 लाख रुपया लेके निकल निकल जाने के बाद में जब बैंक का SBI के गेट से निकलने का करीब 100-125 किलोमीटर जाते 100-125 मीटर 100 मीटर जाते जाते वो बाइक वाला आया और ज़बरदस्त उससे पैसा छीन के ले लिया, गिर गया। तो इसमें बात यह है, ये 6 नंबर केस है, ये लेके 11 माइल SBI में 6 नंबर केस है। तो 6 नंबर केस जो है 5 नंबर केस में पकड़ा गया था, इसके बाद 2-3 महीने नहीं आया लोग, अभी आज से फिर शुरू किया। तो पहले हम लोग भी बड़ा यहाँ एक साइन बोर्ड लगना चाहिए, एक होशियारी होने के लिए एक बड़ा साइन बोर्ड यहाँ दे देना चाहिए, और एक सिक्योरिटी का जरूरी है जो कि SBI है, SBI का एक सेफ्टी होना चाहिए। दूसरी बात है, बैंक का अंदर में जो आदमी रहेगा उसको तलाशी करना चाहिए कि किस काम से वो आदमी आया है, किस काम से आया है। बेकाम का आदमी वहाँ बैठने का जरूरी नहीं है, जिसका आइडेंटिफाई है कि वो पैसा लेने आया है या रखने आया है, वही लोग वहाँ बैठना चाहिए, बाकी लोग अवॉइड नहीं करना चाहिए। लेकिन वहाँ देखता हूँ बहुत लोग अवॉइड करता है,
वो इन्फॉर्मेशन बाहर लीक करता है।
हाँ, तो मेरा ख्याल से क्या है कि अंदर कोई आदमी होगा और उसका साथी बाहर होगा, तो अंदर से व्हाट्सअप कर देगा, उसको पता चल जाएगा, बस वहाँ से वो काम कर देगा। इसी तरह का घटना हो रहा है।
अच्छा, बॉर्डर इलाका होने
का, लेकिन पुलिस तो आता नहीं। हम लोग कोशिश भी किया, 100 में फ़ोन भी किया, लेकिन फ़ोन नहीं रखता है।
बॉर्डर इलाका है इसलिए नहीं आता नहीं।
हाँ, बहुत ज़बरदस्त घायल हुआ, एकदम ज़बरदस्त घायल हुआ, वो पाँव काट गया, खून हो गया, और जो भी हुआ, लेकिन आगे से ऐसे व्यवस्था लेना चाहिए। आउटसाइड में एक
Umentri keterangan koi ke Kiau James ke Sangma ke New Terek mentau benai ula play ke cakapan mi oksigen Nazareth Hospital Shillong ringkar ke Jordan lang kinong penyai jogani ke hospital kinong trei berkibai-kibai. La perkedo hangni bagi jingbu ke cakapan mi oksigen haki hospital kalade ke jingdan kam haman lagi hospital hadin ke jingwan ling shop ke klam COVID-19 haga bagi brio ki bangat ikani ke jingpang gilama ke jinge namar ke jingbam la ban pinpiang ke oksigen ke bor hospital berkum juru ke bor sarkar. Nakaliang menteri habakran hakani ke jelang ulapan pau ke jingso kemen baka Nazareth Hospital kalala apan play ke cakapan mi oksigen kaban long ke jerap ke bakrai ke hospital berkhamtam ki paj ba ki bon sha sumar hakani ke hospital.
I'm very happy to inform all of you that 2 crores and 51 lakh has been invested in Nazareth Hospital. Apart from that, the Department of Health and Family Welfare has facilitated the Path Foundation, who are here, and would like to express a word of gratitude for them also, to donate this PSA plant in Nazareth by the Tata Advanced System to provide a stable flow of 800 LPM, benefiting 100 patients who will require oxygen support during critical times, possibly for a third wave, which we hope will not come, but yet we need to be prepared for. And I believe that this oxygen plant will be an asset not just for the hospital, but for the entire health system of our state. And I take this opportunity to wish Nazareth Hospital and the sisters and all the staff, the doctors, the nurses, the paramedics, and well-wishers of the hospital the very best as they add another milestone in their endeavor to serve the people of the state. As a representative of the government, I wish to assure that we will try our best to serve the people of our state to the best of our abilities, and I know that we have a dependable partner in Nazareth Hospital to try to provide access to timely and adequate healthcare to the people of our state.
Kakasi Students Union haka hinyo terek mentau benai kala rakhi kan mau burami ke lingko singi yaw ke ba arpinyo jong president berem juga seng ba bul and lingdo ubalong way na kinongelam ubashlo raki sinam baladap banya kuni kimat prepare jong kari barkajat benrio uba bul amtang bulalong nongelam ubashlo kumunongelam kisamla puli here war hadin bulalong kumunong mikmat paj baru ki kam ki bolale ki long ki bagi paj ba ki pertu hado menta. Hakini ke jingkan mau buram ke KSU ke lapeloi ke jelang haumat belatei pensana miuniu nongelam hajan Shillong Law College Hamalki haka balai dan lang president wa Lombok Starwell Marngar u general secretary wa Donald V Thaba berkibai de ki nongelam ringkar ki bahinga semu babul bar ki pajba namalki hakini ke singi na lor lapeloi ke jimbo sentiu la yoru ke jingkren no ba Lombok ba no ba Donald
ka bakampiar na kita bro kolong ba udah somla bom somla pendem bat busum lati kibatai kerpang bagakti kediang kejungu kadun bor haduk kata-kata bat om tang keti kediang kedi jemut super khat jungu kilong klan haduk kata-kata kundu bat chakri bat kundu ban kren yak isu bofea rofea abu ka jingkali hangi iwei pewei hatogen sup kan mau buram bat ngesnyau tang ya kita kimati jong neu rukrau bolong nong jalan barat ba jo keseng ingin pentri kam hakani ka nok kadri ka kenti bementa ban penim ban penyele nam tak kita ba tosan jong geri bekecat julu koi ni soto ka jingya kenti bofea jong ikan hon bofea jong ki samla bofea abak kran ya kinu kimat bakta ya geri bekecat pendeu kendan ya subun ba ki bawo bat kendan subun ba ki ban kentok hanggai ngesoto abang kum bangi jukran nak sport pakasang kasem ni kinu isu ni ji gidan arbenta gidan ki ban anisim gidan ki ban yero bat gidan ki ban kentok bat gidan ki ban wo hanggai pun sien ngesoto abang ile ya kenulu ko ba kadai kata ka benta ke bangi hap ban ya syakmat bat ya kata kalenti dai kinu ilam ke barem ki blai ngi kilong menta ban pentulun ya salan cam terikam kuno ban kran ya ki isu ba fair jongkeri bekecat ndu koi
kalong ke pada keba solusi ba ibriu isu sutunat be tu khana be tang sapang iba abul kim sim labut pat ya gan nuksa keba iba abul ila peni akan nugurkom mangide benle banyada ya keri bekecat ndu keba solusi ru teng galong bakadon teng gejingkan tho ya gejingya lenti jong keseng apa kajing alam babul lani wat apa kajing alam jong ba Michael CM ni ba Paul ni ba Daniel ni ba Sam wat ba alam mengi mentaru kibriu kidan bet ki ba kontho lesi yo ja badai gitu kibriu iman kimtip ya kajing tikana kimtip ya kadu kadang haba kanu kurkam kalti ngin ya dengan yang menyali nam tak kajik meriu deh lor kata kanong rem dapat kiran ben Hendra ini juri pat teng ba ni kentiu ni aina empat ye kiwe kiru krau jeng kiwe kicet pendriu ni pelat no ye kiru krau juga cek pendriu ladi yo lesi kadau kalong ba galak penong ba ladu balaseng ye kisiu adu ka jingya lenti jing babul adu ka ni ka kilit mat ka mentaru ngidang den ka jingya le de helor kata kanong rem bagi pajba berkum juru ke sorkar kam syamla itu ye babul
hadian giti khubor nge sange sha shipor hadian shibit arbit nge son phai bek shiphi ringkat bakini kiwe bat ki khubor yang persha ki seng samla bat kiwe ye ke sorkar india halor ka afspa armut ki scenario kon hill state na mauthat raishan pinkup buram ke hyc ken mau buram ke ksu ye ke lingkhu sngiya uba bul en lingdo yang scam ki riushnong ban persha yo sodar ka shnat right tin ring Naga Kubor Sports, Rung Kalamari Football Club syaka semi-final hakalimpung iliakai football. Narinsan karik hasi, kekinhun somersault hakajingwan pai pat chalaye na Europe. Pidai saban kan kasih chal ngnya phai mentaj ki khobor ki badangsa. Kedorbar pelun jiki hindriu teli ki shnong ringkat ki senglong keme seng samla bat ki nong shong shnong ki lapun pau ban yeng skem ban persha ya ke jingkam jong soda jong kashnat rat tenring bagi ne ki shnong ki hab hakani ki shnat rat. Kini ki hindriu shnong ki kintup ya ke shnong lom dengan wa mentaj mau keduk kerdeng ki bahab hapo Riboy district bat kelum se mau kenring hapo East Khasi Hills district. Halo kani ke jingpan hab jubor jong ba wording nong room uba kamela de kum usoda raj ke shnat raj tenring nak liang kinong yelam kini ki dor bar shnong lember ki pai ba kila pelong sandan dak jaya yai pai ba ban penrami ki jing thambor jong ba nong room ki bra sedang ladu snam 8000 ter hadu menta mene lingba kini ke jing yai pai ba la penram juru halo ke jing hiar thama ke kinhun jong ba wording nong room ki pai ba kabla ja ka khatwai terek uno pra 8000 khat khandai ha ka ba hadu shipong kinong yelam shnong kila men saujur
Ila syapan penduk ya ke hok kejongi. Ila syapan kneno ya ke hok kejongi. Ila syapan beng ya ke hok kejongi. Ila syapan Islam na ke benta kesnong ke thau kejongi. Kum kinong song snong. Tuton ke tukhang kemen se madu kata-kata. Niken mau haus nem ubaladap. Hawarajar ka khandai. Haka khadwai tarikono pra arajar ka khandai. Kei ke balacha hakane ka jaka. Kay kebalaca hakani ke ceka utan reng warning nong rom reng kat bat ki bril jongu ki bawan hendril kli ki bos bat ki wei pat ki kali private ki jongu ulawan hakani ke ceka na ke benta ban thombor ya ki pai ba nong song snong ki jongi hakani ke ceka ulawan ban bom ban piet ya ki nong song snong ki jongi nga de wei parliament sauchor ha ka to basngi ha ke ba don ki bril ki bala pha nang ba ne warning ban bom Baka kentin ke baki ke haba ki chua pan pam yang akiong ba peniap no yang ne kiong yan na ke benta jonga bat ke bang isang sat ha ka por bang aswa bang sapa mga na ke benta iba tesmiroi iba dei iwei nai i rang ba song barem jong song kerdang ila saban perlo ya ka septi ke jonga ha ka tai ke ceka ha ka tai ke badan ke yeng bala sa perlo jai bala pomi dei ting teli na pokamer hado bai mla sho watang banki ya orang basong jong kolom dengan ki pulis kadba kidan ha to kapor kila rabi bante bakali napa kali kini ki breu kini kire thang sam kila sei ye i separ bat kila sho ila dadi kidan sibonda kumbang idon kumba tinda siphongot ki baladan ya kating mansau ke bajor kini kire kating thang mansim ke bangila sha pandu ha ka hop ke jongi kum ki pai ba jong ka rius nong hado menta ngimla ban klet ya kini ke balaja Kay ka pelong yang i ban lang ha kani kasni kada pelong ban kenau ya kani kasni ke bangila sha ban le ban hadu kani kane hatu ni kun ki pai ba chong kan rusno ni lang menjor mo bangin sha sho ban sha pom sabat ban sha tit na ka banta ka hok chongi hatu ki pai ba nong song ka chongi ni don mo ka ngila yo mo ban chet ya tu sara chong ka tendring Henry, uni usara chong katendring, uwan ban kam, ya kini ka ceka ka puta ka jongi.
Nagarian ki paj bak la dawaru na ki bor ka ain ban penyo noy ka jing bishar ka khoi. Halor ka hok jo ki paj bar jo kini ki riu shnong, ban kumjuru ban penshit tam nyu ba wording nong rum.
Uni wording day ke baljet langan bakla ha ka ha wara jar khatra wording nong rum laje dia ha wara jar khatra bara to kasni ladang ipai ha ke YouTube ha to mantaru ngirang yai ba ka to kasni ke ba sakhi ha ka cingche dio ha ka cingche chung la poi ki magistrate la poi ki police lapoi nakaliang ki bakrau chong krai nong krem lapoi bun ki bakrau batri hang tu kacaka bancit nak banta chong hukum mutau sabar chong kata ka senarai tendring lapan kambing yang isa si senru bangi ha kata ka senarai tendring ha kata ka siru hato na penjungi dan na penjungi ki pelayo bancit yang warning nong ron kong sadar ki pai ba chong ka news nong ni kam news nong ni ngimyo bancit taleleru wada ka khni ka slemat ke banganta wada ka ne ka khlemat ke bamanta ngimyo bancit banna kata kadau ngimla ban priang ka news nong hiboro kawai kamla ban priang ya warning nong rum lane ya no yalam chong ka tendring ba ki dei kinong sensar chong ka song ka tha ko jongi
Mentapat ngenya page ki kubor sports. Kekinhu ni lekai football jong Kalamari Football Club kalayo bandrung ke semi final hadin bakla pelim no ek perdiwa football club da argo lakwe hagaje kun quarter final hakalumpung lekai jong ka open to all football tournament bala pelong de keseng samla patarim. Nasaki hagaje kun ka baitanat bar ka baklan bor ba brengki arkan hun kiblai kun doya banyorung ke semi final hindai na mar ka jing klan ba jing state kirang lekai jong Kalamari Football Club Kaniga kinhun kalayo ban kerwit sundan da argol kat ba ka perdiwa football club kalayo pun thai tang shigol lawan ban sakhi kaniga jia kun kumukongsan dauba pateng mirsing Kapaham Rio Football Club ru kala penting nai ladi bakan rung ke semi final ha kelumpung yele kai kabla pelong da kador bar shnong lum dai thla ringkar ke jetre lang bar kakin hon ki mar bersio Kapaham Rio kala la ban pelim no ek neutral football club the Ligo la ar ha ke je kun quarter final kabla long ha ka pratare uno apra a haja arpoi hamaran yele kai kur kalang bhoirumbong Haba phai cha kate ga je khun ka long shisha ka baitana daga bar ka bala penchong shet e ki pai ba ki bralet ban sakhi ya ka je khun ha ka ba kala kun no adien ka je khai the mar shigol ki nong panya ha kate ga je khun kila ra no asha ka je shoot tie breaker ha ka ba ka paham rio football club kala yo ban khori ka jingjob ba ban rung cha ka thup cha ka semi final jong ka ni ga lumpung ele akai
Sport bata football agapol gamanta kalane jawai nagilan tiba akam madam yagi kun sama jong kadang bata thamru bhoy ge jumi iso song balang ba abagapai ge madan hanya pro madan kur kalang ngam support bat ngam sude ba ngam poi ge jaga langsung kumala poi sabar nagastit namar karukon pun kre bat karkom organize Tolong kaba itulah hadu kata-kata lai kudai ya organize mau bersih kepala lah sisa ban organize ba hadu kane ban musim lebih ba lampa bahkan kod kamu Islam nanti ngakwa ba ngali sakman bagi Islam di panawan ngakwa babin penai menorganize ya kaneka football tournament hanya pemanan
Mentapat ngenya page ke kubon dan san kari khasi. Kekinhun nong roi somersault kalawan page lakari. Hadien bakla yola ban yokjat hakadoma Europe, kamtam hakari Germany but Denmark. Ban late rai ke kubor jo kari khasi but ke jing itna jongka ling ba ki surjir wai but ke jing thukana. Lai thu ba hakani ke jingwan jo kekinhun bon ki brio ki bakintu ikinong Germany, kinong Denmark, mar kinong India ru. Kila yola ban sngap but ai ke jero shiboni ki jing ngau thiang jo ki sur na ki rilum khasi. Kabakam sngotanar kalong bahaman laki concert baka kinhun kala yola ban roi ki don ru ki khasi ki bashong ha ki shnong ba per ki blawan ban kershan bat sngap iki jing roi khasi Hagani ka kinti ka somersault kala yo ban yo kjat haki artri ri kata hari Germany ba Denmark. Kala donru ka jingthmu ban poi shari Switzerland hindre namar ka jingkiu stat jong COVID-19 ka kinhon kamshim la shu ban yo kjat hakate kari. Hagidi ki artli ki ri ka kinhon kala la ban pinsngoi ki sur ki bathiang ne ki lom khasi haki pratli ki rinsan jagi samtli ki nongba kata ka nongba Hamburg, Bremen, Lübeck, Hanover, Barka Horsens, Kabadon ha Denmark. Kabakam pair hakani ka jinglai dwai jang ka somersault kalong baki babon ki nong sngap kham tam ha Germany kila pinsngo baki e chishai ki jirwai khasi bar kilai rwai langru da ka bakin hoi kiu bon sen kane kala ai man sem shishai ka kinhon. Hagini ki rinsan la yoru ban rwai ki jirwai bakham hakmat jonga kinhon ki bakin thup ye ki jirwai kamai ye kahok hai tai sur kelur kabama pertashnong khon shinrang bar ki wei the lord bakla long lupa ka bakham pher ban yo ye ki khasi ban rwai hari Germany ka bakham phalai ki nong German ka long bak somersault lingba ka jingla ji kong pinsuks emyong kala la ban rwai ki jirwai ka ktien German ru kini ki jirwai kila klan brio bar yarab ek somersault bakan company jan bar ki brio ha Germany kar hado bar bona preng jongki kila penpal ke jingkwa ban wan yo kjat shari khasi. Kekinhun kala yori ke jingkashan bapura na Consul General Jukri India ubaha Hamburg u John Walngol ubadei na kajat benriu mizo. U Consul General ringkat berkipara nong India kila penku buramru yu nong yalam juga Kekinhun ubah kit champion dakanam Personality of the Month Hari Germany. Kani kala wanra shisha ka buram ka bakrau khamtami ke jela Meghalaya ka bakibrir ki bawan chi concert kila yo bante bahang. Kila yo ru ke jingkashan bakajerap ne kipara nong India ki bashong Germany but Denmark. Ya kani ke jingle che Germany lala ban pun urlong na ke jingtre shitam jong tour manager jong ka somersault u Dr. K Zaman jong ka Zaman East India Travel Odyssey ringkat ke jingkashan rat ba jong Meghalayan Age Limited bar ke Department of Arts and Culture jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya.
Our Consul General requested me to curate a program for the promotion. I thought the best would be take the music from our region, the folk, the fusion with the textiles, the weaves, and with it you blend the music. I think that would be the greatest way to showcase our land, And that was the concept I worked in, and that's why we're having the somersault is here, and along with that we're having the weaves from Assam and tea from Assam also, and from Meghalaya.
Kuman pengen mau ke jingmi jong ka somersault na India sha Europe ka long man litkit ktin bat yathu ye ka jing phla jong ka ri khasi ka Meghalaya bar ka ri India ha ki benta ki bashatei jong ka ri Germany bar ki benta ki bashathi jong ka ri Denmark. Kani kala deshi sha ka buram ye ka ri bar ka jaj benriu ba ye ka put ka tem bar ka wai ka sia u khasi on la ban pen inam ha ki rensan jong ka parthei la ne ki international stage. Somersault kadai ka kinhun tem jirwai khasi ka bala pau bha ha kini ki shiphouse nem tam bala le kani ka kinhun ka pinan kami ki jingtem tin rai ban pinwan duri karwai ka siaw ka jingtem jongki kala pin smotana di ki babon om tang hangni hari khasi jongi hinre wat shabaru kumju Hadian ka jingle che Europe shisin kinong Europe ki lapan pawi ka jingkwa jongki ban yo sngo biang ki jirwai jongki bar ka jingkermen ka long ba kani ka kinhun kan yo biang ki lat ban let ban pinsa phiang ye ki sur kari khasi jantia khnang ba ka parthei kan yo ban snga pat sngo thu ye rukam em bar kalarti jong pat khasi biyar Hashaban pinkut niya phai ki mar pakongsan sa shisien. Lej ai jubab ke MLA ka seng Trinamool Congress ka office tray kam usong knor ka yeng dorbar thawan. IT ki committee pe khaput ye ki kai phot chumentri rangba ka jala. Yeng persha ki seng samla bar ki wei ye ka Sarkar India halor ka afspa. Armut ki scenario kun hill state na mauthat raishan pinkut buram ke HYC. Kenmau buram ke KSU ke lingku sngiya uba bul en lingdo. Yeng scam ki riu shnong ban persha yu sodar ka shnat right tin ring. Naga kubor sports rung kalamari football club shaka semi final ha kalimpung ilakai football. Narinsan ka rikhasi ka kinhun somersault ha ka jingwan phai pat chala yeng na Europe. Dengsi kubor la poi cheng bakut jaka thuk kubor men takateo ngison phai biang shapi hak te kwe pat kateo ka barwan kble pi baro pathiaso